Hello. After download you will get these two files. One is in obj format and one is in blend file. If you are not a blender user you can use obj file format. If you are a blender user you can use blend file. Next we will see how the character will come. Each part of character will come separately, so you can also modify or edit the character in your own style. Also I apply mask modifier on character main body. You can click on television icon to disable or enable the modifier. Next tips for rigging the character. First of all, hide the clothes, shoes, hair and face marks. Then select the main body and go to modifier panel and disable the marks modifier to get full body. After rig the body, then with the help of data transfer modifier you can automatically rig the clothes and shoes and other objects. But for hair you can just parent to headband. Next, material and texture. I texture the character very simply, but you can texture the character however you want. Next, is character suitable for animation? Yes it is, because it is very stable and poly count is also not high, and you can see the demonstration. Thank you.